Hi, this is Nick Maverick. This is a continuation of our 3-minute playbook series on customer segmentations and how built data demystifies that term. We look through tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of rows of data to summarize and put it back in your hands to take action. That's the most often pain point that we hear from both sales managers and marketing organizations is they can't act on their data. So what do? We're fusing multiple data silos, whether it's your point of sale system or your rental management system, your CRM, your ERP, your financial reporting system, and any external data that your business may license or surveys you may participate in. We're summarizing all this data. We then enrich it through our scoring mechanisms and push it back to you. So you don't have to dig for your data. Your data can be summarized. You don't have to fuse together spreadsheets, pivot tables. Most importantly, wait. We hear that quite frequently. People literally spend hours per week doing this. And if they can't afford to, they don't do it at all. So let's get into it. I'm going to talk to you about the new customer segmentation and why that's important. You're looking at a business where 31% of the customers do 90% of revenue. It is a $1 billion plus business with 9,263 customers. The new customer segment is anemic. 0.7% of the total customer base is new, and they're doing about 0% of revenue. And let's look at it. When you get into their spend, you can see a consistent trail off between best, future best, loyalist, testers, and finally we're on new. Now you could look at new as saying we constantly have to go get new customers. And now you can challenge that. What I would say is if you don't plan, any road will take you there. So let's get into it to understand why. You're looking at one of my favorite charts in built data, which is we call it revenue change analysis. And here you're looking at the prior year. You could see that new customers, this business had to go out and get $838 million of new customers because its expansion with current customers and contraction truly offset each other. And its churn, about 12%, was pretty substantial. So this business is constantly chasing new customers, which you know is extremely expensive in both sales and marketing. In prior videos I've shared with you, if you can pay attention to your best, future best, and loyalist customers and expand and move them north into the best segment, then you won't have to spend an inordinate amount of capital on churn. I'm going to show you in actual numbers here. So this business as a tool, it has 66 new customers in totality, which is pretty bad. It'd be only not bad if it wasn't planned. They're substantially below their prior year customer count, and their revenue in this segment is substantially down. I'd say this business has severe trouble on the horizon because they will not cover the rate of churn. They're facing a huge contraction in their business. Now, if you're a sales manager, what do? Manage your salesperson better. Or to put it another way, help them. They're the tip of the sphere. Help them understand their customers. This salesperson, Michelle, 2% of her customers are new, and they're doing 0% of revenue. When we look at Michelle's segment in new, she's got virtually no new customers versus the prior month. Michelle is heading for substantial headwinds ahead unless she is truly maxed out the opportunity in her territory. In the next segment, I'm going to talk to you more about what we call recently departed customers. Those are best customers that you may have lost and you want to take a look. Wishing you continued success in 3 clicks. If you can't get to your data in 3 clicks, talk to us. Everything that I'm showing you here today can be stood up in 3 weeks or less. Thank you.